Hello everyone, I'm Safi and I'm 7. And I'm 7 and I'm 5. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Hello everyone.
What are you doing today?
We're doing a so-and-style unicorn bag.
Wow.
We've already started a little bit.
Can you tell us what's inside the box then? Can you show us?
The thing.
Oh, you've taken it all out on the side. Oh, your glass puppy.
Yeah, he's going to be
So what have we got inside? This kit includes a lighter, pawn. Who could find a lighter, pawn?
me.
Way. And then what else have we got? 2 pairs of glitter eyes.
This one, and then there's another one.
Oh yeah, fantastic. And that's pink and white threads.
Got one, which is pink. Kind
Wow,
of
that
ran
looks
out.
lush.
Yeah, the pink one looks fluffy a lot. It's really fluffy. Yeah.
Wow.
And we've kind of ran out of white.
Oh right, because you've started using it, have you?
Yeah.
So you also got needles or plastic needles. Can we see them?
Plastic needle. That one.
Yeah. Okay, so you're sewing the thread with that, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. And one front snap nose.
One front snap nose.
And also 2 back snap locks. Yeah.
Oh. 2 back snap nose. This?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know.
6 white button locks, 2 strap rings, 1 screwdriver.
This one.
Oh yeah, those are the snap buttons Sarah's got. Yeah, that's fantastic. And 1 battery box, 1 cable.
Where's a battery box?
I think it's that thing over there, yeah. Wow, that looks cool. And then a guidebook, which is in your adjustable nylon strap, and a plastic mesh sheet. Show us the plastic mesh sheet that you've started sewing.
Yeah. You see?
Can we see it? What have you done so far? Can you show us?
So it's basically this, but without that. So I've done this. Sara was doing her nice drawing when I was doing it yesterday.
Let's see your drawing. Wow, it's a lovely kitty.
And it has some fish.
You've been colouring that in. That's lush. I love your little fishies.
This side is night, this side is morning.
That's lovely. Right, so what have we got to do? Should we get on with it?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're going to ask Mommy to put it in now.
Put it through?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do. Oh, so what are you doing, Sophia?
Oh, I've done a different pattern to the one on the picture.
Okay.
By there,
Yeah.
you see? And I'm doing it this way and that way.
I see.
I've already done it that way,
Mhm.
but now want to do it this way. And I've only got one more left to do, and then it's pink.
Brilliant.
So I'm going to go by there.
Okay, go on then. Was this fun doing this?
Yeah.
When did you start it?
Yesterday.
Okay.
Done that.
Yeah.
And now there's a lot of string here.
This is a very long one, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's the last white bit.
Oh, yeah.
I know, Mommy.
I know you know. You're doing a very good job. I didn't know you could sew, love. You did sew another kit before, a foam bag once, didn't you?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, it was perfect.
So, okay, now I'm gonna go by here. Oh no, by there. I mean, like that.
You're doing really good. It's nearly finished.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And then I need to do make sure it doesn't go behind this.
Yeah, not that stupid bit. It's got these little handles, hasn't it? Got these little handle things as well. This looks so fluffy.
Yeah, it is really fluffy.
Lovely.
It's fluffy.
Mhm.
I think this is my last row.
Brilliant. So you can start on the pink.
Yeah.
Are you actually going to try and make a unicorn, or
I don't really want to make a unicorn.
what are you going to make then? Just a
normal
bag. Okay.
I finished the white.
Yay!
Yay!
Hooray!
Daddy, there's not going to be enough white, but I chose to do a cat instead.
Have you?
Yeah.
So what's that on your hands? Show
The
us.
ear.
Let me see it.
And there's the pink ear. Like that.
Oh yeah. So there you'd be little wireframes for the ears.
Yeah.
Okay.
The wire.
Wow, what have you done now?
I did the ears.
Yay!
Yeah.
They look great. You're gonna sew them onto the actual bag?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I need to do the pink in there.
Okay, let's do the pink next.
I decided to do a unicorn instead.
So you chose to do a unicorn anyway, did you?
Yeah.
With the closed eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
And I did all the pink patches.
On the back, yeah, let's see the back. Okay.
Now I'm going to sew this onto there.
Oh, which did you do the sides as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to sew that onto the side to make it into a purse?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay. And then what needs to be done? Is it finished then after that?
Yeah.
You'll have to put the battery pack on inside. Yeah.
I forgot about
And
that.
put that on there as well.
On here?
Yeah.
Where in here?
Well, I think there's a cable on the inside and you attach the battery pack to it. So we'll do that next. So here's your needle. Okay, you're going to sew the sides on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, well done, love. That looks really cool.
Like this?
Oh yeah, I can see you looping it over your needle. That's very good.
Like
And I put a needle through. That sounds good. And try and pull it all out now, gently. Then you'll have a nice little tight knot, so you can start sewing up the side.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like that?
Yeah, that's really good.
So is that tight enough?
Very tight.
This one?
Yeah. Doing really good.
Like that?
Perfect.
Okay. This is the finished unicorn bag. I absolutely love it. We gave it to our friend Anara. Thank you for watching our channel.